Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 21 in IQdungeon. To do this, you will need to defeat all flying enemies. And you're doing it by pressing and holding on your character, and then this arrow will pop up, and basically where your arrow is aimed, your arrow, actual arrow, will fly out. So for example, we're gonna get this one, and we can't see the third one, but it's basically you need to look at the shadows. So he should be right here. So we're gonna get there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.